One of the main products we supply at DBS is a CladSeal trim. Now this trim is designed to go around a shower tray or a bath, and what you need to do is take the measurement like so. Now this is an 800 shower tray, but we're actually going to come in 40 millimeters less than what it says to allow the shower screen to butt up to. So that will make it 760. Measure your desired length, which is 760 millimeters on this one. Ready to put in the mitre block. So we're going to do the internal mitre. Nice neat finish. So before we fix the CladSeal trim, what we actually do is make sure that's going to fit nice and neat in the corner with the mitres. With this here, we've finished 40 millimeters less to allow the actual shower frame to butt up to the trim. If you're doing around a bath or you wasn't fitting a shower screen, we do little end caps which will just clip over there. So what we need to do now is fill the inside of this with silicone. Now, if you buy the CladSeal kit, it comes with the mitre block, all the instructions, end caps, and the sealant. If you buy the trims, it's just the trim on its own. So what we do now is fill that. That gives you a nice seal on the bottom. This one too. And then with them holes provided, we'll screw to make it nice and secure. So I'll do the screws about every 8 or 10 holes. Once this trim is fitted around your bath, your panels then will sit on top of the trim, therefore allowing any water to run down the panel onto the trim and into the shower tray. So now that is 100% waterproof and it's completely sealed around the shower tray, and it's exactly the same for around a bath.